New One State RP promo codes 2026 working codes want free cash, exclusive rewards, and in-game boosts in One State RP without spending a single dollar. In this video, I am going to share the latest working One State RP promo codes for 2026 and teach you exactly how to redeem them in just a few simple steps. One State RP is one of the most popular open-world mobile roleplay games right now, and the developers at Chillbase regularly release promo codes through their official social media channels that give you free in-game currency and exclusive items. So let us get straight into the codes and how to use them. Here are the currently known working promo codes for 2026. The first code is ONESDATE26. The second code is ONESDATE25. The third code is DAYONE. Try all of these codes as they are released at different times, and some may still be active depending on when you are watching this video. Promo codes in One State RP expire regularly, so always try them as soon as possible after finding them. Now let me show you exactly how to redeem these codes step by step. Step 1. Open One State RP on your iPhone or Android device and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon or avatar at the top of the screen to open your profile menu. Step 3. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, and tap on it. Step 4. Inside settings, scroll down until you find the promo code or redeem code option and tap on it. Step 5. A text box will appear. Type in your promo code exactly as it appears, since all codes in One State RP are case sensitive. Double check for any typos before confirming. Step 6. Tap the redeem or confirm button. If the code is valid and has not expired, your reward will be credited to your account immediately. You will see a confirmation message on screen telling you what you received. Alternatively, you can also redeem codes through the official One State RP website. Go to onestate.com/promocode in your browser, log in, enter your code, and click redeem from there. Both methods work equally well. Now here is your pro tip. The fastest way to never miss a new One State RP promo code is to follow Chillbase, the game's developer, on their official Instagram and join the One State RP Discord server. New codes are almost always announced there first, sometimes hours before they appear anywhere else online. Codes can expire within days or even hours of being released, so following the official channels directly puts you ahead of everyone else. So to recap, open One State RP, go to Settings, find the promo code section, enter your code exactly, and tap Redeem. Try the codes ONESDATE26, ONESDATE25, and DAYONE, and follow Chillbase on social media to catch new codes the moment they drop. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss an updated codes video. And drop a comment below telling me which code worked for you and what reward you got. See you in the next one.